looking to improve your communication skills. Whether you're aiming to speak a new language fluently or just want to enhance your current abilities, language learning apps are your secret weapon. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into how language learning apps can seriously level up your communication skills, not just in a new language, but in your day-to-day conversations as well. Section 1. Why communication skills matter. And that's where language learning apps come in. You might be thinking, isn't this just for learning new languages? Well, they do way more than that. Section 2. Benefits of language learning apps for communication. But that's not all. These apps also help you practice speaking, which is one of the most important skills in communication. With features like speech recognition, you can improve your pronunciation and sound more confident when talking to others. Section 3. Real-world communication practice. By practicing with native speakers, you're not just learning vocabulary, you're learning cultural nuances, body language, and conversation flow, things that can really boost your overall communication skills. Section 4. Confidence and consistency. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. And the confidence to speak, even when you're not perfect, is the first step toward great communication. Section 5. Tips for getting the most out of language learning apps. So how do you make sure you're really boosting your communication skills with these apps? Here are some tips. Set small, achievable goals. Instead of aiming for fluency in a week, focus on mastering a specific conversation or topic. Progress is key. Make it a habit. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day can make a huge difference over time. Consistency will help you retain what you learn. Don't just read or listen, speak out loud. Practicing pronunciation and speaking helps you gain the muscle memory needed for real conversations. Take advantage of any social or exchange features the app offers. It's a fun way to learn from others, ask questions, and test your skills in real-world scenarios. So, whether you're learning a new language or just looking to fine-tune your communication skills, language learning apps can be a game changer. The key is to practice regularly, stay consistent, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. After all, that's how we learn. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more language and communication tips. Drop a comment below if you've used any language learning apps, and let me know how they've helped you. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.